It's been a minute. It's been a little minute. We're back out here doing it again. Oh man, I think I haven't done one of these in a couple months, but thanks for clicking the play button. Appreciate that. We're going to start off the morning with the $27 batch for 26. Oh, it's right there. I don't know. Let's get after it. Let's go shopping. All right. We got everything shot for. Had to make a few replacements, some Powerades or Gatorades or some shit like that. And then she had questions about, she had a buy one, get one pork shoulder. And the way you do it is you scan one, combine the weight of both items. So she wanted a 7-pound pork shoulder. So, but you can only scan one. So you scan one and then you just find another one. And then you just add the two weights together, and then she was like, I thought I got two. And I said, I got two. I combined the weights. Well, it's going to charge me for two. They're buy one, get one free. It's all good. I just said, hey, cashier and make sure you're good to go, and then all good. You don't have to freak out. It's going to be okay. So anyways, got a shop for her. No refunds, so that's good. We should get the entire $27 or whatever it is, and then back on it. Try to get this done in about 20 minutes. Hopefully another one. Let's go. All right, dropped off that one. I didn't record it because it was on a military installation, so it's kind of frowned upon recording shit on there. So dropped it off. I delivered to that guy before, so he's a pretty good tipper actually. Picked up another one. It's like $16, 20 items or something, going 8 miles. Going kind of far, but if I'm getting $1 a mile, I'm cool with it. So should be quick and easy. There's not a lot of people here. It's kind of a rainy day. Let's go shopping. All right. So we got that one dropped off. I think we're going to take a gym break. We're going to do a little short gym break and then come back after. There was a couple that were available, but they weren't really worth it. So take a break, gym, lunch, and then we'll see what's out there. Let's go. All right. Workout complete. Wasn't bad. It was kind of busy in there, so I kind of was like, let me just do a couple of things and get out of here. But at least I broke a sweat. I picked up a third Instacart. It's $41 going 10 miles-ish. It's a double, but it's $40 going 10 miles. So even if it takes me an hour and a half, it's pretty good. Let's go shopping. It's not that busy. But I have a feeling there's going to be old people here, so that's going to bother me because they move like zombies. but I'll be there too one day, I guess. All right, let's go shopping. Okay, got those dropped off. I didn't take any film of the drop off. The second drop off was actually, she was sitting on her front porch smoking a cigarette. She was friendly though, so that was nice. Picked up another one on the way back. I picked up a single $14 one or something. Put the first screenshot up, but then when I got here in the parking lot, it asked me if put an add-on to it, so make it a double instead of a single for an extra $7 or some dollars. So I just said, yeah, there's only 12 or 15 items or whatever. The first one's only 6 items, so should be pretty easy. But this parking lot's filling up, so let's get in here and get to shopping, bro. Let's go. All right. I think I got the last one for the day. She's a 15 item, $9 something, going like 4 miles. So yeah, let's go shopping.